The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra could see Samsung finally bringing back a flat screen to its flagship phone. With nearly 6 months left to go before the release of the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung still has some time left to play around with the design a bit. It looks like Samsung is considering several designs at the moment, and the info shared by the go-to leaker for Samsung Leaks, Ice Universe, indicates that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's front design is going to change slightly. According to a series of posts and hastily put together renders shared by ICE, it looks like the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a flat screen, symmetrical but slightly thicker bezels, and a taller aspect ratio. Now, for those who haven't stayed up to date, Samsung has been using flat screens for the base and plus variants ever since the Galaxy S21 series was launched. However, the curved display was always exclusive to the Ultra variants, but this might change with the S24 Ultra next year. And if it's true, this will be big news because Samsung is the company responsible for introducing curved screens in the first place. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a flatter side frame than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to the latest render posted by Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's side frame will resemble that of a prototype of the Z Fold 5 that was displayed at Samsung's Research and Development Design Center in South Korea last month. This appears to indicate that the side frame will be a little rounder, and this could make the Galaxy S24 Ultra look a little wider. The Galaxy S23 Ultra might be one of the finest phones around, but not everyone is a fan of its slightly curved screen. ICE thinks the next iteration will have a flat screen, but that might make the side bezels stand out more. The display is still expected to be 6.8 inches in size, but it could have a slightly higher resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a narrower aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The phone's dimensions might also change, meaning it could be somewhat shorter but wider and thinner. Based on this data, which ICE has cautioned could be erroneous, it appears that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have thicker bezels. While we can't confirm if the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to have a flat display, it makes sense from a durability standpoint. However, what doesn't make sense is why Samsung would take away one of the defining features of the Ultra series. So we will have to wait and see it turns out. Remember, the base and plus variants are set to ship with flat displays and flat sides, whereas the Ultra variant is said to have a titanium frame. This is all the information in terms of the design we have so far. We still don't know whether or not the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a flat screen, but I am really looking forward to seeing how Samsung handles this whole thing. From all the rumors so far, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could pack some meaningful improvements over the S23 Ultra to deliver a better user experience. So stay tuned to the channel for more Galaxy updates, and if you guys enjoy the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you in the next one. Peace out.